What's up, everybody? You're watching Oscorp. Today we're going to be opening up Astral Radiance Booster Box number 4. And I decided that I'm just going to go and do the hit hunting. I'm looking for the trainer gallery cards, and as of booster box number 3, I currently have 13 of the 30. I believe it's 13. I think it's 13. So 13 of the 30. So I'm just going to go and open up this booster box and show all the code cards. There's no card tricks, and I'm just going to show you all the hits, and hopefully I can get some more trainer gallery cards that I need to complete the subset. Only 30 cards, but let's see how many booster boxes it's going to take for me to get there. Going to go into this box now. Be right back. Okay, before I get into these packs, I just want to give a quick shout out to my Poke friends, the Poke crew, FTW Strategy, Alex Anthony, PokemonFatherAndSon, Tim and Nathan, and Epic Eric. If you're looking for additional Pokemon content, go and check out these guys. They are my YouTube buddies that I've been meeting throughout my little journey of opening up these Pokemon cards and creating my own channel. They've been very helpful of helping me get to where I am right now, and I like to go and promote them as well. So if you guys have the chance, go and check them out. It has some good content, and let's get into these packs. Ooh, I got a rainbow duck butt. Nice. All right. I see a trainer gallery card. Oh, it's one I have. Oh, and it's this guy that I don't like. Great. Oh, Radiant Hydrant. Another duck butt. Ooh! I don't have this one. Oh, check that out. Xtian I V-Star. Nice one. B-Drill. Kingdra, Trainer Gallery. It's a nice one. Okay, I'm done with the first set. I'm gonna go put these cards away, move this stack over to the other side, and we're gonna go and continue. Okay. Ooh, Rainbow Grand. Nice. Weird Ear. Radiant Halucha. Nice. I have a trainer gallery card. Nice. I don't have that. Oh, nice. Rita. Decidueye V. Okay, last pack magic for this booster box. Let's do the card trick. It's all fair for the last one. Psychic energy. Bust. Alright, quick recap. Here are my V cards. Xtian Decidueye V. Oranguru, my favorite ape. Weird Ear. Beedrill. Radiant Heatran. And also Radiant Hawlucha. And then we have the Xtian Decidueye V-Star card, which is dope. We got Irida, the trainer card. We have a Rainbow Duck Butt Heatran. Shout outs to my niece for the Duck Butt call. And then we also have a Rainbow Grant Trainer card. For the Trainer Gallery subset, I have Kingdra, which I have. Flapple, which I have. Galarian Obstagoon, which I do not have, so this is going to go into the folder, and Ice Rider Calyrex V, which is going into the folder as well. So we got 14 hits out of this box, and from the Trainer Gallery subset, which I'm trying to collect, I have 2 that's going to go into the folder. It might take a while for me to get all these, and I don't know how many booster boxes it's going to take, but we'll see what happens. But I'm happy that I got these. This is one thing I should have done from the start. Since I want to bring you guys on the journey of collecting the Trainer Gallery subset, here's Pokelector.com if you guys don't know about this website, but it's a great checklist for, you know, if you're collecting a master set. These are the Trainer Gallery cards that I currently have, and today we just got this guy. And where is the other guy that I just got? This guy. Awesome. So refresh real quick. I have 16 cards and I need 14 more, so I'm a little bit more than 50% done, and let's see what we can do for the next booster boxes in the future. That's all I have for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this box break, Evolving Skies style, for those that watch my Evolving Skies videos. We're gonna do it real quick, and I'm here for business now. Just open it up, Astral Radiance. I just want 30 cards. We're gonna see what we can get at, and thank you very much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, send me a comment, say what's up, and I hope you have a good day. Take it easy. Bye.